Good afternoon. Today we're going to see a topic on a CNC EDM. It's nothing but electric discharge machining, which is very important in all the mechanical and the manufacturing industries. We'll see what is meant by EDM. The EDM is nothing but the spark machining, spark eroding, or burning the die sinking or wire erosion. It is a manufacturing process whereby a desired shape is obtained by using the electrical sparks. Where here the electrical sparks is the main tool or main role where this material will be removed with the help of these sparks. This machine is mainly used for removing the workpieces by series of rapidly recurring current discharges between the two electrodes. One of the electrodes is the tool electrode and other is the tool or electrode. Where EDM, electrode is the workpiece electrode, where the distance between the two electrodes is reduced, the current intensity becomes greater than the strength of the dielectric, which is causing it breaks. This is the schematic diagram of the EDM, where here this is the workpiece, which will be float in the dielectric fluid, where this movable electrode will be to and fro, vertically to and fro, where the servo control motor will be fixed in that one, where this the electrode will make the removal of the workpiece by using the sparks production. This is the tank where we use it for the dielectric fluid filling. The EDM components, where this EDM machining chamber is the center, where constant gap and servo mechanism will be used, where the waveform, power supply, pulse, current, pulse on time, flushing mode, dielectric system type, all things has been used here. These are some of the components that has been used in the EDM. Electric power supply, the main components of EDM is the electric power supply. Next one is the dielectric medium, which will be used here. Next one is the workpiece or the tool, which to remove the particular parts from the main object. Then servo controlled unit. The workpiece and the tool are electrically connected to the DC power supply. This is very important in the EDM machine, these components. EDM is in working principle. Well, it is the process of metal. Actually, the EDM is the metal removal process, where the process of metal removal based on the principle of material removal by the interrupted electric spark discharge between the electrode and the workpiece, electrode tool. As like the welding, here the welding will be used to joining of the two metal, where these electric discharge machine will be used to remove the material from the particular space or the particular part from the object or the product. In the EDM, a potential difference is between this tool and the workpiece. Essentially, the both tool and work materials are to be conductors because being a conductor only we are able to that work material will easily sparks will easily discharge or remove the material. The tool and work material are immersed in the dielectric medium. When generally the dielectric medium will be used as a kerosene or the deionized water, because that should not corrode that tool and the workpiece. So we are using this as an dielectric medium. The gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece. In depending upon the applied potential difference, where the voltage of 50 to 450 depends on the material where we using to discharge, remove the material, and between the tool and the workpiece, the electric field will be established. Generally, the tool is connected to the negative terminal cathode and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. This is a diagram where the dielectric medium will be used here, and then this is a job and is called the cathode and this is called the anode. The tool is then connected with the negative terminal called a cathode and this job is connected with the anode. Upon the withdrawal of potential difference, the plasma channel collapses. It creates the compression shocks based on the electrode surface. On that point, the high spots on the workpiece surface which are closest to the tool. This evacuates that molten material and forms the crater about the site of the spark. This will take for the few seconds to remove the material. This is the schematic, diagram of the EDM machine, which is the dielectric fluid, maybe the kerosene or the deionized water, the pump and the filter, where this is the workpiece which we have kept in the tank, and this is the fixture to fill with the material, to fix the material, and this is a DC power supply to run this uh, EDM machine. This is working principle where the tool we are directed for the inside the process this may be happen and the material will be removed. The material removal rate will be depends upon the material we are using, the and how that process will take place, the material removal rate, the surface quality accuracy which will be based on that one. Applications: drilling of micro holes, forming of delicate piece can copper pots, and all the hardness materials melting points at respective turbine blades, intricate shapes. In almost many places have been used. Thank you.